Today, we're exploring an intriguing addition to Samsung's Galaxy S25 lineup, the Galaxy S25 Slim. This model has been making waves recently, and it's finally confirmed for a global release. Let's dive into all the details we know so far about this exciting new variant. Rumors about a fourth Galaxy S25 model have been circulating for weeks, and now we finally have confirmation. Unlike Samsung's regional exclusives, such as the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, the S25 Slim is set to launch globally. This move is significant, as it signals Samsung's intent to expand its flagship series with more diverse options catering to a broader audience. What's the source of this confirmation? A Samsung device bearing the model number SMS937B has been spotted, and it holds the key. Samsung's model number system provides valuable insights. For example, the Galaxy S25 is labeled SMS931X, the Galaxy S25 Plus is SMS936X, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is SMS938X. The B in the newly discovered SMS937B strongly indicates its global status. Typically, Samsung modifies the last letter in its model numbers to denote specific regions. For instance, devices for the US market use a U, while South Korean models replace it with an N. This consistency strongly ties the Galaxy S25 Slim to the rest of the S25 family. One thing to note, the Galaxy S25 Slim is not expected to launch alongside the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. This isn't unusual. With rumors about the Slim variant surfacing only recently, it's clear Samsung is planning a staggered release to maintain interest in its flagship series over time. While we don't have an exact launch date yet, industry insiders speculate that the Galaxy S25 Slim might make its debut a few months after the main models. This strategy allows Samsung to keep the momentum alive by spreading out its product announcements. This is where things get even more interesting. The Galaxy S25 Slim isn't a replacement for the Fan Edition series. According to leaks, the Fan Edition lineup will continue, sitting between the Galaxy S25 Plus and the S25 Ultra in terms of pricing and features. The rumored specs for the upcoming Fan Edition model include a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3.5x zoom. On the other hand, the S25 Slim appears to target a different audience. As its name suggests, it's expected to be a more streamlined device, potentially with a focus on portability and affordability without sacrificing premium design. This diversification shows Samsung's effort to cater to different consumer needs within its flagship series. As exciting as this news is, there are still plenty of unanswered questions. We have no official details on the Galaxy S25 Slim specifications, pricing, or exact features. Will it be powered by the same Exynos 2500 and Snapdragon 8 Elite processors as its siblings? Will it offer a unique camera setup or battery optimization? These are details we're eagerly awaiting. What's clear is that the Galaxy S25 Slim is not just an afterthought. It's part of a calculated strategy to expand Samsung's flagship series. By introducing a variant that may appeal to budget-conscious users or those looking for a sleeker design, Samsung is ensuring there's something for everyone in the S25 lineup. The global release of the Galaxy S25 Slim is a bold and smart move by Samsung. By tapping into markets worldwide, this new model has the potential to capture the attention of users who might not typically consider a Galaxy S series phone. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Slim? Are you excited about its global launch, and where do you think it will fit into the market? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tech news. We'll see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.